How to turn on headlights in your car? Headlight controls are not located in the same place in each vehicle, but there are a few spots that are commonly used. Look for either a control panel or a control arm near the steering wheel. It's a little lever down under your left hand. Some cars have automatic headlights, which tend to work by using photoelectric sensors embedded into the instrument panel around the base of the windshield. You don't have to turn it on, just leave headlights control panel to auto setting. Zero symbol or off symbol means that all your front and back lights will be turned off. If you don't own car with automatic headlights setting, you have to grab the control dial between your thumb and index finger and rotate it until it reaches the appropriate setting. The parking lights are the first setting on most cars. These lights are orange in color on the front and red on the rear of the vehicle. The low beam or dip beam setting is usually the next setting. These headlamps provide forward and lateral light while minimizing glare, so they should be used on crowded roads. The fog lights may also be positioned on this dial, but some car manufacturers place the fog light control on a separate button located directly next to the standard headlight controls. They should be used during poor visibility conditions like fog, rain, snow, and dust. In my car, you have to pull up the control button for the front fog light and the separate for rear fog lights. The high beam are not found on the low beam control. This setting is usually on a stick on the steering column, sometimes the stick that controls your turn signal and is always separate from the low beam control. The high beams can be turned on by pushing or pulling on the turn signal lever forwards or backwards. These lights are more intense and create a greater amount of road glare, so you should only use them when other cars are not present or nearby. Here is the difference between high beam and low beam. Consider checking the results. When in doubt, check the way your automobile headlights react when you turn the control dial to each position. When your headlights are malfunctioning, your vehicle may display the standard headlight indicator symbol with an exclamation mark or X across it. Warning: leaving the headlights on when the car is not running will drain a significant amount of the battery's charge. Depending on how long the headlight stays on, you might return to a vehicle with a battery that is too weak to power up the engine. When the car is not running but the headlights are on, car battery die after approximately 5 hours.